small cat. Small cat. There will be rivers in the gutters. We have seen that after rainfall, the water to be flown from the both channels, from the both gutters of the both side of the road, and then not only that, and lakes along the street, means whole street to be seen, the gathering of the water, place to place the water to be seen there. And in that water, what happened? The kitty, the small cat, goes there. It will make a lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Who is telling this one? This is small child is telling about her, what we can say, small kitty. Who is telling? The small child is telling about her, a small kitty, small cat. After heavy rain, after what we can say rain, he goes to the what we can say street, and he started to wash her little dirty feet after rain. Means that water is not stopped, the water is not gathered in one place. From both sides of the gutter flow the water, and the whole street just like a lakes when after heavy rain last night. The third stanza. It is the first step. See here, the poet is trying to understand after heavy rain, the effect of the rain on the different, what you can say, places. The second stanza we have seen that what is the effect of the rain in the gutters? Gutters are full, the gutters are overflow, and street, and effect to be seen on the street also. In the street also, why? Because in the street there is a lake. The street to be seen just like a lakes because of heavy rainfall. And next is kitty. A small lazy kitty goes to the street and he started to wash his dirty feet. The third stanza. The roses will wear. The roses will wear diamonds, like a king, like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy. All get muddy because they are so short. See here, in the second stanza we have seen the effect of the rain in the street and both channels, both side of the street in the gutters. In the third stanza, the poet is try to understand for the reader that how the roses look like. How the roses look like after rain. Because first stanza we have seen, in throughout the night there was a rain, sometimes soft, sometimes loud, sometimes soft. In second stanza we have seen the effect of the rain throughout the night in the lake, in the street, in the both ends of the gutters. Third stanza we are going to see about the roses will wear diamonds like the kings and queens at court. How is it possible? See here, the poetess is trying to convey that the drops of the rain fall over the so many plants and the flowers. The drops of the rain fall over the roses and those roses to be seen just like a diamond. You know, diamonds shines. You know, the light of the diamond or the shining of the diamond, it's what we can say so bright, and the drop of the water over the roses, over the small plants, small the leaves to be seen very attractive, and over the roses the water of the rain to be seen very attractive. And just like in the garden the roses will be seen where they are wearing. Who are wearing? The roses are wearing the different kind of what you can say diamonds over themselves. How? Like kings and queens at court. In the court, how the king and queens wearing the different kind of jewelries and what you can say golden things and all over their bodies and all. Just like the roses looking like just a king and queens. Why? Because they are wearing like a diamond in the form of drops of the water. But the pencils all get muddy because they are so short. You know, pencils here. Pencils means small plants. Small plants. Why they become muddy? Why they become muddy? Because they look like a so short, though so small, and when heavy rain fall, the soil, or you can say they convert into mud or muddy. Why? Because they are very short one. But the pencils all get muddy because they are so short. When the rain falls, the soil over the ground splashes over the, or we can say falls over the small pencils, and that is why small plants, or we can say the flowers, they became so dirty, muddy, they became muddy. This is about small trees and plants. And first two lines of the third stanza, see that the poetess convey that the roses to be seen just like they are wearing diamonds, because small drops, they are looking so attractive, shiny, bright over the petals of the flowers and the leaves of the different plants. Fourth stanza. I will sell my boat. I will sell my boat tomorrow. In wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pencils faces. See here, in the first stanza, what the poetess is conveying to us, the small child is going to wash all the pencils who became muddy. The small child is going to wash all his, what we can say, all her pencils. How? With the watering pot. But first of all, what she says, try to understand the first stanza. I will sell my boat tomorrow. You know, when we are small child or children, that time we make the sheet of the different sheets and waste papers. And what we do? That making the sheets and try to sell into the pot or try to sell into the what we can say lake, small groundwater where the water is gathered. The same thing here. I will sell my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. New places means where the water is gathered. Where the water is gathered, that place in good places, I will go to sell my boat tomorrow. But before that, I will take my watering pot. Why? Because the small child wanted to clean the faces of the pencils who became muddy in the last night. Try to understand. I will sell my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. The second, actually, the small child wanted to perform both act here, both tasks here. First is selling the boat into the water, and second thing washing the faces of the pencils. But the first she wanted to clean the faces. Clean the faces means what? What the pencils became muddy. After the what you can say after the what you can say heavy rainfall throughout the night, what the rainfall, small plants, small flowers, they became muddy. And first of all, with the help of watering pot, she wanted to clean all the plants, all the flowers, and then she wanted to sail her boat into the water. Do you understand? Hope you understand. Okay, now I will give you homework. First question, write the effect of rain over the ground. Do you understand this question? Effect is what? What is effect? For example, it's raining outside. 10 minutes, 15 minutes it's raining, it will rain, and after that when it will be stopped. After stopping, what is the condition or what is the what we can say atmosphere on the ground? You should write it. Write the effect of rain over the ground. And second thing, name your favorite pencils. First question, what is the effect of the rain over the ground after rain? And second question is, name your favorite pencils, means which plants, which flowers you like most. These questions, two questions we have to solve in your notebook, respective English notebook, and soon you will check all those things. Thank you.